Welcome back to the Magnetic IDEX channel. Today we're doing something very unique and testing the zero gravity x-axis with fully integrated coupling. So now the motor is inside the enclosure, the coupling is inside the enclosure. Everything is nice and compact. The square shaft is isolated from the motor via a short belt, mainly for the sake of packaging. This seems to be working fairly well. I'm not pushing my speeds or my luck too much yet, so taking it easy. There's no input shaping right now. The print is doing fairly well. I'm running it somewhat slow and steady. I'm at 7,000 acceleration and about 100 millimeters per second print speeds. I think I slowed it down even a tad below that. So this is not a speedboat race by any stretch of the imagination, but just very, very first baby steps with this Zero Gravity X. No noticeable backlash that I can tell. Even when I alternate clockwise, counterclockwise layer directions, the backlash is non-existent for all practical purposes. So this print is right about 50%. I might tune in a few minutes and see how it's doing. But wow, this is so cool. So you can see the square shaft is constrained by the ball bearings, and the ball bearings are aligned by the linear rod, so everything is self-contained. I am floored. I'm over the moon on this one. Let me take the camera mobile and we'll see how the print is going. Not crazy fast. You can see the bearings here. And this side is just a tensioner, so they're very similar. Super light. Each tool head is about 180 grams with bearings and everything. Here's a nice view of this little test print. So really quick about the belts. The x-axis belt is still the 6mm wide GT 1.5, and the y-axis belts are upgraded to 9mm GT 1.5. So that's my setup at the moment. This again, for sake of quality and my sanity, I'm going slow. Special thanks to all my coffee supporters. You guys are awesome. So Piccolino had this chicken and the egg problem. I could bolt it onto just about any printer, but I didn't have anything to sacrifice here. So I'm using my old FlashForge Creator Pro test mules. I needed a good printer to test Piccolino on. And well, Akula 3 is shaping up to be that test mule for me. Next steps, we gotta get it on more machines and see how they behave. Obviously, if it's clipper and the carriage is good enough, I expect Piccolino will do quite well. But again, I wanted a machine that I could be absolutely happy with. I want to finish this print so I can pick it off the bed right on the camera. This is not a variable layer print. This is just a fairly fine resolution print. I think my layers are 0.15 millimeters. Okay, we're bridging and we'll speed it up pretty soon. Okay, back to a better speed. Like 94%. We have 2 minutes left on this print. Let's go handheld. I'm gonna speed it back up to 100 close to finish. Watch how this print ends. I'm gonna leave it like this. I really like how the toolhead spark. And so next time homing will be much faster. Let's take a look. So there's a flat spot on the sphere, but it's still really neat little component. I like it. I like this a lot. Like, share, subscribe. Bye.